In this video, we will be demonstrating how to get dressed for Šopske. Start by putting on your shirt and your pants. After you've put on your pants, put on your socks. When putting your socks on, fold the fabric of the pant around your leg, pulling it to the back to provide a clean look. Then, pull your sock up and adjust the drawstring if you have one. Next up are your opanke. For this dance, we use opanke called vrce. Ensure the opanke are tight on your foot but not uncomfortable. Make sure to loop the remaining strap back into the buckle. Now you can tuck your shirt into your pants, making sure to pull the shirt down well to avoid bunching or wrinkling. Now, tightly tie your pants, making sure the pants are sitting higher up on your waist to avoid them from falling down. Next is your belt. Tightly wrap the belt and pin it with 2 safety pins from inside, once at the top and once at the bottom. Make sure that your belt is tight and secure. Lastly, you can put on your shubara, making sure to shape the top inwards as seen in the video. And that's the final look. Don't forget to add your black leather belt.